I'm back and I'm better. It's me. I only have like probably like 50 subscribers anyway, so I hope all 50 of you motherfuckers miss me. But for those of you who are new to the fam bam, I'm just gonna take this moment right here, right now, for you to subscribe. I'm coming to you guys today with a review, and I'm so excited because it's about makeup. And honestly, there's a little backstory for y'all. I've been slacking on my Makiage. So today I'm going to be reviewing Il Makiage foundation. I woke up like this. Or it just might just be woke up like this. Yeah, it's just woke up like this. So yeah, I'm sure like if you like makeup, you look at makeup on Instagram and stuff like that, you know, some Big Brother type shit be going on, and basically they start like, you know, posting little ads throughout your feeds, like things that they think that you would like. They always get me. I'm not really for like that type of marketing. It really frustrates me. Like I just think it's intrusive.
I know what the you're doing. No. I'm not appreciating it.
Il Makiage was one of the ads that popped up on my feeds, and basically what it says is like, try this makeup like for free or whatever, or get a free trial, something like that. Ain't man that say free to me, that's the place to be. You feel me? So I went on the page, and like basically they allow you to take a test, and the test helps you like, you know, figure out what type of foundation it is that you like, what match best with you. Like I kind of was already like bought into them in the very beginning because I love shit that's extra. Like I'm a Sagittarius. I am extra.
I really don't give shit, you know what I'm saying, about what people really think at the end of the day.
You take this quiz, and the quiz is like asking you different questions. Are you cool skin, warm skin, blah blah blah. And it also asks you to compare it to your other foundations. Now I like, none of my foundation was on there. Like the foundation that I use is this black something black, okay. I don't remember if it's Black Radiance or Black Excellence. Black Radiance B. It's Black Radiance. It's barely like, I believe is mocha, like if I'm not mistaken. And I've been using this foundation for like at least like 3 to 4 years now. So you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Like I ain't getting a new foundation. Like I think I tried a lot. I got one. I bought foundation before offline, and it was from Sacha. I love Sacha's powder, like the Buttercup powder, and I love their concealer, but their foundation had me fucked up. They concluded that the shade that would be for me was Woke Up Like This. Oh man, come on, focus for me, baby. 195. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's what it is. It's 195. So I was like, okay, cool. I didn't do the free trial. I was like, I still let it sit there. And then I kept getting emails from them. And again, that shit is annoying to me. And they're like, hey, we still got this last chance. I'm like, y'all been saying last chance for last month. But anyways, I decided to go ahead and get it because since I'm scraping the bottle, and I want to try a new foundation. Like, I'm a big girl. I don't have any of the other boxes anymore. So if you want to know about like packaging, you could go and watch someone else's video. That won't be in this one. Now let's get started and actually like applying the foundation. Hold on, maybe I'm definitely gonna put some more on. And it's not normally like me to do that. Maybe I was listening to the instructions. I don't normally listen to the instructions. Next time I'm not gonna listen to the instructions. I'm gonna just put as many pumps as I want to. But this is what 2 pumps look like. In the videos that I watch, people definitely use more than 2 pumps. But I wanted to see what happens when you follow the instructions. Okay, so this is how it looks after 2 pumps. it says, like, it does say that it's supposed to be like skin-like, so I do feel like it looks like my skin, like when I actually care about my skin and like I wash it and I moisturize it. And it says to wait 5 minutes for the foundation to set before checking the shade. I don't think there's anything wrong with the shade. I'm actually like, okay. So I would do this shade. Like, this would definitely be my winter shade. I'm gonna apply a couple more pumps and keep going because it does say that it's buildable. I'm gonna keep going, and then after that, we're gonna look at my face some more, and then I'm gonna do the whole face and see how I like it at the end. Either way, it's not turning me off, like to the point where I'm just like, oh hell no, 14 days, you getting this back in 2 type shit. But I'm not turned all the way on. You get what I'm saying? I'm not like, I can't. All right. And maquillage. Wait, what about that? Hold on. Il maquillage. Il maquillage. They need to hire me on some shit. Dead ass. Y'all gonna hire me. Il maquillage. Okay, so, I mean, just based on the mood, how I feel, how I look, how I am, who I be. This is me. Floor wear. Bitch with no hair. She gonna stare. So I stepped outside of the light and I feel like it looks good. And I've dimmed my light as well. I feel like it looks good. When I brighten my light, I feel like it still looks good. So I definitely do like the foundation. Am I returning it? Bitch, no. I feel like this is a good, really good winter, for at least for my skin complexion and what the winter has done for my face. Meaning take everything out. I feel like it matches my ashy brown skin. Not saying that the foundation is ashy. I just feel like they actually did a really good job with matching it. As far as like how it feels on my face, it doesn't feel like it's definitely on there. Like, I don't feel like it's gonna move. Like, I definitely don't feel like it's gonna move. I did use different amounts. Like, how I beat my face is I didn't use nothing extravagant. Like, I literally just used my setting spray. I used my Sacha Buttercup. It looks very bad right now, but I use my Sacha Buttercup. I also use my True Match L'Oreal and Wet n Wild bronzer, and like I feel like it came out really good. I love this beat. I always, whenever I do my face, like I don't really go hard when it comes to eyeshadow and stuff like that. So like I'm really into everyday makeup. And I feel like this foundation is an everyday foundation. I don't feel like it has any weird smells. Like when I was putting it on, I was actually like, this smells kind of good. My only like concern about makeup is just how transferable it is. And it doesn't seem as transferable as like my other foundations, which is why I kind of really wanted to transition from Black Radiance to something else. But overall, I like it. Is it worth $44? I definitely think so. Like, especially if you buy foundation from Sephora all the time. Like if you want a beauty supply stuff like foundation, $10, $15, $20, just go to a CVS. But considering the fact that this is a high-end, I mean, look at the packaging. Like, look at the website, the quizzes, the marketing, everything behind it, like, and the actual product itself, I definitely feel like it's worth $44. So, was it a marketing scheme? No. But either way, did I fall for it? Yes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was as informative as it could have been. I really don't know what else I could have talked about. If you have any more questions, just, leave a comment, drop one, right there, and I'm gonna respond because that's what I do. Definitely like it if you like it, like, because I like it. And also subscribe because this won't be the last time you see me. Beach.